Yeah. She love the way I'm doing it. So good she won't put my tattoo on it. Bottom line is,
you know, you are ending Welcome Back Week. So this is like a big shebang right now. It's the first week of school for a lot of students, and you know, a lot of students and fans are looking up to you. So you really are, you know, like I said, the big shebang right now. So for students who are here right now and they just probably don't know what they're trying to go for school for, they're just unsure of their degree, and they just really want to follow their dreams, kind of what do you have to say about that?
Man, I feel like, you know, it's alright to not know exactly what you want to do all the time, man. You can find your way in the world or let it like naturally fall into place. There's a million jobs that people ended up in that they probably never even knew that job existed, you know. And it's just all about time, what you love, and you know, how you can use it in the world, or you know, whatever you want to do. So, you know, one of the main things I always did that was real hard for me to do was to like keep my faith. You know, I always it was a real test of my faith, like before I got signed, and like hoping I would get signed, and like being told I was gonna get signed, but nothing was moving. And, you know, my mom was the one who really kind of kept me going on that. So, you know, it really taught me to be a man, though. You know, and it taught me to believe in yourself and believe that you create your own world. Once you realize all of that, then you won't stop it, for real. The biggest obstacle is really believing in myself more than anything. Believing in yourself more than you believe in reality, you know. Because reality is just a technicality. And I say that on my album, but it really is, you know. Because how can you tell me any different when the stuff I dreamed about I'm doing? Literally, I dreamed. Like the literal stuff I dreamed about I'm doing. So, you know, you can't tell me that you can't do anything. Like if I really wanted to fly, like jump off a building and fly, if I really put my mind to it, I'll figure out a way to do it. You know what I'm saying? So it's just kind of like, that's the biggest thing I had to overcome, was letting go of the restrictions of reality.
Be the best memories. I hope that you remember me. These will be the best memories.